So today I'm gonna be at the beach. We're gonna go by the beach and we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get things lit but I can't say that. So I'm heading to the famous Anse beach to get lit with my friends. They're waiting on me at Cameron Park. We're gonna have some fun, guys. So we're walking to the KFC to get something to eat. There's a guy right here who always sells jelly, like jelly water. I want to see if I can get some jelly. I hope it's not what you call it, in the jelly, in the coconut itself, you know, still in the shell and everything. Hello. How do you sell the jelly?
I have the bottles.
One bottle. Okay. Can I get one? It's in here. Jelly. Thank you. So I got some jelly water. You know, jelly is always good for your heart. That's what I learned in Jamaica, that jelly is good for the heart. Jelly water cleanse the heart and cleanse your body. So I'm gonna cleanse my body with some jelly water before I get lit today on the beach. So we just came from KFC and we got some food to eat and something gonna hit us down. So we're heading on the beach right now and we're gonna get lit as, okay, I can't say that on camera, so I have to say it quiet. So now we are on Anse Beach and we're gonna have some fun. This is Anse, all of this. This is beautiful, the pearl in the Caribbean.
Yes.
This is the pearl in the Caribbean. This is the pearl in the Caribbean. So I want to go in the water, but they don't want to go in the water, so I'm here stuck. Can't go anywhere. All three of them, they're messes. I guess they're just as island as me. They don't want to go in the water. So I'm just going to go in the water and have some fun by myself. So this is the famous Anse Beach. All of down there. And the new hotel came called Silver Sand. I think it's about right down there, and so I love it. It's beautiful. Watch out, Grenada, me there. So over here you have Umbrella's Beach Bar. Like we always come here to like party, not really party, but drinks and eat, and they have a really nice menu. So we come to Umbrella's a lot to, you know, just have a good time. A nice parking lot here. Not really nice, but it's beachy in a way. The road was much better, now they fixed it. So everything is going on good. This is Grenada, guys. It's beautiful. So I'm walking up on the beach showing you guys a little of what's going on in Anse Beach. Well, it's kind of late, so you're not going to see much going on. Earlier they had like guys on the beach with what you call it, like boats, and people attached to the back of it on a floaty, and they were like driving them around on the water top. It was just amazing. Trust me, it was amazing. There you have ships. So over this section you have Koyaba. So this is the Koyaba Hotel. I think I saw several persons on the, what's the name of the show? The Bill Cosby, not Bill Cosby, the guy that messed up Miss Universe with Venezuela and things like that. So I always see like shows where people win a vacation or a weekend here at Koyaba Beach Resort. It's pretty good. Can't complain. So it's not really a lot because I was busy doing all sort of stuff and making jokes and fun with my friends. I didn't get much time to create a lot of footage. But next time I guess, or maybe next time I just go to BBC, because I really rather BBC more than Anse Beach. Because Anse Beach is so crowded. All the time it's so crowded, especially when the ships come, it's kind of crowded. So I rather go on BBC because I get more space and it's more family friendly and those kind of stuff. Yeah, so I like it. So I'm heading back to where my friends are. I just took a little walk, go all about the place. So now I'm heading back to where my friends are. They're down that section. Ooh. You see how bright it is, like, and the sun is already down, if you know. The sun is already down, but it's just bright. This is the life, yo. This is the life.
Talk about your rent, do fuck you.
Hey, I can't see me.
You a boss and you don't know shit. No, I ain't chasing you. No, I got my own bitch. When nails done, hair done, all that shit cheap. Buy a different bitch of lace front, 7 days a week. Are you posting crashing over? All of a sudden you ain't goofy. No, I got a lot of money. You wanna play me like I'm stupid. It's easy.
Is it ZZ?
Can't take it to the grave.
I better catch too. Yes.
So heading into IGA. Ooh, booze. Yes. Booze everywhere. Hmm? You want to do s'mores?
Yeah. No, they're gonna do
What? I went John. She just disappeared, so. But we just see she just a while ago. I think sugar must have done that section, man. Oh, we should disappear too. So we are heading home now. Thank God. The day has been so long and dread and just been going on and on and on. We're not going to have a bus there?
bus man knocking.
What?
Bus man knocking Tuesday.
5 past 8. We're going to that one there?
Huh?
We're going to that bus there?
I don't know. Knocking Tuesday.
My name is
You know what? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put music to you all at the party, yeah? Wow.
I'm on the block, pull up, skirt. Where you at? Where you
My darling,
at? You a
it's Jamaican, I'm
on my
Anse.
line, on my line.
Go back to your country.
Get up there in the line.